been burned before, and I know the score, so you won't hear me complain. Will I be able to count on you, or is your love in vain? Are you so fast that you cannot see that I must have solitude? When I'm in the darkness, why do you intrude? Do you know my world? Do you know my kind? Or must I explain? Will you let me be myself, or is your love in vain? Well, I've been to the mountains and I've been in the wind, I've been in and out of happiness. I've dined with kings, I've been offered wings, and I've never been too impressed. Alright, I'll take a chance, and I'll fall in love with you. If I'm a fool, you can have the night, you can have the morning too. Can you cook and sew and make flowers grow? Do you understand my pain? Are you willing to risk it all, or is your love in vain? Can you cook and sew, make flowers grow? Do you understand my pain? Are you willing to risk it all, or is your love in vain? Well, hi there pluckers, I was Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for hopefully another interesting guitar lesson. That was my rendition of Bob Dylan's Is Your Love in Vain. It's my take on it, sort of thing. It's a simplified version in many ways, okay, but probably more suitable for a single acoustic guitar, okay. So let's break it down for you. I'm in standard tuning as usual, and no capos in this song. So I'm playing, starting off with a rundown from the G chord. Now, most of the time I'm playing a G chord in this song, I am playing the 4-fingered variety. You don't have to, but that's why I'm doing it. So I'm doubling up on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string and the 3rd string of the G, okay? And it's a rundown from G to E minor, so you hit the bottom E string, and then go down to the 2nd fret, keeping these 2 fingers where they are, on the 1st and 2nd strings, down to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string, emphasising the bass note and end strum, okay? Then to an E minor shape, but keeping these 2 fingers where they are. So you just have to use these 2 fingers to make up an E minor, okay? Becomes an E minor 7th, okay? Then we keep those 2 fingers where they are, and we go to a C added 9. First finger goes to the 2nd fret on the D string, the 4th string. 2nd finger goes up to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, the A string, and you go 5 down to 1. That should sound like that. And then finally the D. And then we go into the G again, and we start to do the song. Okay? So let's do the intro again for you. And then we're to G and the song. Do you love me? It's the same as the beginning. Run down to E minor. It's the same as the intro. Are you C added ninth? Just like the intro. It's just extending. D, goodwill. It's exactly the same as the intro, that line, okay? So it goes, coming out the intro. Do you love me? Or are you just extending goodwill? Second line exactly the same. Do you need me half as bad as you say? Or are you just feeling guilt? I've been... Now we play an ordinary C this time, okay? Burned D before I G know the score. So you C won't hear me comp D playing suspended and then off again. Little pinky on the 3rd fret, top E string, on and off, okay? So let's just get that far. So, okay, so coming out, I'll do the intro and do it up to that point, okay? Do you love me? Or are you just extending goodwill? Do you just feeling guilt? I've been burned before and I know the score, so you won't hear me complain. Then we go into the rundown again from the G. Will I be able to count on you? Your C added ninth, is this your D? Okay, it's just like the intro line again. Okay, so let's do the whole intro and the first verse. Okay, here we go. Do you love me? Or are you just extending goodwill? As bad as you say, or are you just feeling guilt? I've been burned before and I know the score, so you won't hear me complain. Will I be able to count on you, or is your Right, now we go into the second verse. It's exactly the same apart from just one bit. Okay, so are you so fast that you cannot see that I must have solitude? Now that's the slight difference. On the first line, on the first song, you just went from the C added ninth to the D. But this time you go, are you so fast that you cannot see that I must have solitude? You go back to the G. So the C added ninth to the D to the G. Okay? So do that line again. Are you so fast that you cannot see that I must have solitude? Second line. Well, I am in the darkness. C added ninth. Why do you D intrude? Now it's the same then from carry on, from the rest of the same as verse 1 from now on. Do you know my world? Do you know my kind? Or must I explain? Will you let me be myself? Or is your love in vain? Okay, so verse 2 is exactly the same to play as verse 1, apart from the very first line, where it goes the C added ninth to the D back to the G, rather than just going C to D. Okay, so then we go from that, we go into the middle section of the song, the bridge section. So coming out of verse 2, or is this love in vain? Well, I've been to the mountains and I've been in the wind. That's just basically, well, I've C, normal C, been in D, and I've G, been in the wind. I've been C, in and out of D, happy G, and S. So that's, so I have to do those first two lines. Coming out the second verse, is your love in vain? Well, I've been in the mountain and I've been in the wind, and I've been in and happiness. I have C, dined with D, kings, and I've been G rundown of the winds. That's that G rundown, just like the intro. G, F sharp in the bass, second fret, bottom E string, keeping these fingers where they are, top two strings, third fret. So that's of the E minor, two fingers, E minor seventh with the two fingers on the top two strings again. And then C added ninth, never been to, and D pressed. Okay, and then you're off into the third verse, which is exactly the same to play as the second verse. Okay, so let's just do this middle bit again, coming out of the second verse. Or is your love in vain? Well, I've been to the mountain and I've been in the wind, I've been in and out of happiness. I have dined with kings and I've been all the winds, I've never been too impressed. Third verse. Alright, I'll take a chance and I'll fall in love with you. If I'm a fool, then you can have the night, and you can have morning too. Can you cook and sew, make flowers grow? Do you understand? Are you willing to risk it all, or is your love in vain? Okay, so exactly the same as verse 2. So alright, I'll take a chance, I'll fall in D love with G. If I'm a fool, you can have the night. C added ninth. You can have the morning D too. Same as usual. Can you cook and sew, make flowers grow? Do you understand my pain? Are you willing to risk it all, or is your love in vain? So what I do then is I play the intro, basically, again. Okay, so coming out of that third verse, is your love in vain? Then we go up into that, can you cook again? Can you cook and sew, make flowers grow? So you've got the idea. So just coming out of that third verse, is your love in vain? Intro. After the D, go into this bit. Can you see? Good D and the G was for C and D. Can you understand? Are you willing to risk it all, or is your love? Okay, got the idea? Good, hopefully that's it. You'll have all the parts there to play the song, and hopefully you'll enjoy playing that one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.